Kuya Iglot. Oh. Saan si Kuya Iglot? Saan? Saan si Kuya?
Ayan na sila guys. Ratas na jong no. Ga 7 yan natin wal. Ga 7. Ay parada dito guys, parada nila. MVP oh. Ayaw pala yung driver namin, si Mark.
Ako po, nakabukas na mamaya yan.
Grand opening po ng basketball dito sa Barangay Dulong Ilog. Punta na kayo dito guys, manood kayo. Yes kayo, sasayaw. Tara, punta natin guys. Let's see.
will be number 12. Register will be number 9. Marbles from number 2 will be
Next up, they are ready to rewrite the rules and all.
Number 7, Christian Sacco, number 21, Daniel Sacco, number 11, and Ward number 19, April Lewis, number 27, Tyra Rivera, Joseph
Dapat mamaya pagka... Ay,
number 17, Ron Chino, number 16, Marcos Rivera, number 17, number 15,
This is the team where hard work meets passion. They are shooting.
Malboro lang, pre. Malboro.
Let's work. Ang daming fans. Sige natin kung marami rin yung kasunod. Lining up the competition.
Sumo, pre. Ano? Hindi na pwede. Gagawin ko na. Lalagyan ko na ng picture.
number 27, John Roy Garcia, number 29, Michael. Our defending champion, New Era, winners, James Carlos from number 17, Alvin Sapoliano, number 6, Ismael Rino, number 7, Vincent Valentino, number 1, Justin Calado, number 9, Wilson Carac.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, you know
One round for John Gerald Salas, number 27, Teresa Boston, number 29, Lorenzo Martinez, Junior de la Cruz, G.R. de la Cruz, number 3,
Make some noise for Boundary!
Boundary Players, Andy Galeon, number 12, Luis John de la Cruz, number 20, Alvin Lorenzo, number 27, Salvador Bruno, number 5, Bernard Pino, number 26, Christian Padilla, number 29, 27, completing the lineup from Region Division. Crossing players, Batang Crossing, Michael John Moreno, or DJ Oliver, Kristen Chan. Over 30,
Oy, Pedro, ano? Pinagandaan ka ba sa uniform mo ngayon? O sasabihin mo, salamat, Kissy Jersey. Salamat, Kissy Jersey. Hey, salamat! Oy, bigay na bigay, oh. Sige, sige. Hey, hey, hey. Ito pa. Hindi kasi medyo may mali tayo sa rampa kanina. na. Kaya naman, from there, tatawagin ulit kita tapos ayusin mo na. Are you ready? Okay, ready naman kayo? Alright! Once again. Sayaw, paano naman tayo sasayaw ng mga muses natin kung ikaw yung minikiti mo, nakatutong ka dito. Atras! Sige na, go, go. Okay, once again, let's welcome Cruising X RBS!
Can't you see I'm crying? Got you, should be the one. It's dangerous. There's no way. Get away. I need it. Give me it. Dangerous.
Okay, magpakilala ka ulit.
I'm Angel Lorraine Saturn.
Hoy!
Nahihiya na daw siya. Ito naman kasi laki ng mata. Kung makatingin, alam mo naman sa school. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so umakit ka ba sa Okay, thank you so much! Palakpakan naman natin siya. And
Still gon' wear her. She twerk so hard. She could've been a stripper. She probably would do it. Her daddy might kill her. If he found her in the club on a old boy nigga. And she don't got a job. Her booty go wild. But she home all alone. All she do is twerk, 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 twerk.
your name?
Hello, my name is Frances Kate Salas, 20, representing Zone 2.
Okay, ready ka na ba for your question? Ang kinis naman yung ate girl. Ang kinis nga, no? Do you agree? Ready ka na for your question? O, bunot ka na. I'm sure you are ready. Siyempre, dapat pag maganda, magaling din. O, your question is, pwede pa bakita? Sa anong paraan nakaaapekto ang kagandahan sa ating mga relasyon at interaksyon sa iba? Repeat ko ba or okay na? Oh guys, quiet! Oh, next. Sa anong paraan nakaaapekto ang kagandahan sa ating mga relasyon at interaksyon sa iba? Oh, let's listen to their answer. Judges?
The question is, how can beauty affect interaction with others? In my opinion, kapag maganda ka, I believe that beauty is the priority. And beauty, that's how people feel. And I believe that beauty, I think it's a region blend of compassionate heart, outer elegance, and inside goodness. And I think that's not how people perceive. That's not how people perceive beauty. Because because of my experience, I can see that beauty is the priority. And I thank you.
Hey! Hey! yung answers natin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Lahat daw kayo sabi ni SB and Fernie magkama 5,000 pag-uwi. Huwag din ang pakapigil na bigyan. Your question is, paano mo pinahahalagahan ng inyong mga natamo at tagumpay? Gaano man kaliit o kalaki? Paano mo pinahahalagahan ang iyong mga natamo o na-achieve? Gaano man ito kalaki o maliit? Go!
Kapag po meron kang na-achieve na success, dapat po hindi mo siya binabala na kahit maliit lang. Kasi minsan po may mga tao na nakakalimutan na po na maging thankful po kahit maliit lang yung nakukuha nilang tagumpay. Tagumpay dapat po ay cherish po natin at hindi natin pababayaan. Yun lang po, thank you!
Thank you so much! Bago natin tawagin yung next views, ang ganda naman ng uniform mo. Saan ba kayo nagkagawa? Ang lindo! Thank you so much!
I got this girl, she don't know the school. I got this girl, she don't know the word because she torn, I torn, she torn, I torn, she torn, I torn, she torn, she torn, I torn, she torn, I torn, she torn, I torn, she torn, she twerks up with the camera with the baby, she looking at that. She got mad, huh? But I'm still gon' get her. She twerks so hard that she could have been a stripper. She probably would've did it, but her daddy might kill her. They got her in the car on a cold boy nigga. She don't got a job, but her booty go to work. She home all alone, all she do is twerk, 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 twerk. I got this girl, she don't know the school. I got this girl, she don't know the word because she torn, I torn, torn, I torn, torn, I torn.
What is your name?
I am Jasmine Mawan from Teacher Sina Dolomidon, representing J. Hooper! At naniniwala ko ang sasabihan na sa pagpagpalit ng sama na doon sa kapwa, pero mas masama ang pagpalit ng bata sa hindi mo naman jowa!
Aba nga naman, di ba? Narinig niyo yun? Magkano bang TF mo, ate? At talagang napaka-energetic mo. Talagang umpisa pa lang, pinuhitan mo na kami. Wala pa ang TikTok, talagang pinakitaan mo na kami ng singit. Sabi nga ni SK yun. Ang ganda nito. Okay, ready ka na ba for your question? Ang question mo daw tungkol sa bata. Gusto mo yun? Okay, your question is, ano ang pinakamahalagang katangian ng pagiging isang muse para sa'yo? May kasunod pa yan sa likod. Bukod sa puwet. Ano ba? Hindi mo na sasagutin yun, ha? O, iba naman. Ano daw?
Ang pinakamahalaga po para sa akin bilang Diyos ay para ipakita ang aking talento at maging isang experience ng ibang lahat ng bagong experience.
Thank you so much. Talagang alam namin nag-practice ka talaga. Maraming salamat.
I got this girl, she don't know the school. I got this girl, she don't know the word because she torn, I torn, 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 she torn, I torn. She twerks up with the camera in the back, but she looking at that. She got mad, huh? But I'm still gon' get her. She twerks so hard that she could have been a stripper. She probably would've did it, but her daddy might kill her. They found her in the car on a cold boy nigga. She don't got a job, but her booty go to work. But she home all alone, all she do is twerk, 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 twerk. I got this girl, she don't know the school.
siya ng ating SK Federation President. Palakpakan naman natin SK Luis Secom! Thank you so much SK Luis for being with us. Natanggap ang iyong mga kahinaan. Paano mo maiiwasan ang paghahambing ng iyong sarili sa iba? Ulitin ko, okay na. Paano mo kinikilala at tinatanggap ang iyong mga kahinaan? Paano mo daw iniiwasan na i-compare yung sarili mo sa iba? Go!
Kinabahan.
Ito na lang, nare-distract kasi siya, maingay kasi mo. O paano mo na lang iniiwasan na ikumpara yung sarili mo sa iba na, ay, meron siyang ganito, ako wala. O paano mo iniiwasan yun? Ano po, hindi ko na lang po pinapansin. Oo, ano ako papansinin mo, di ba may stress ka lang? Thank you so much! Grabe naman tayo ang sabi ni Eric Luis.
My discontent to the extreme. I felt it in my chest. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my heart, we took the first and said, together, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up and listen to me. This woman is my destiny. She said,
Ang ganda!
okay. Magpakilala ka, magandang binibini.
Bago siya magpakilala, alam mo, narinig ko si SK Luis. Si SK Luis kasi, ang ating SK Federation President. Sa mga ligang pinupuntahan ko, minsan lang magpunta yan. Sabi ni SK, sulit naman dito sa dulong ninyo. What's your name?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Jenny Alvarez and I am proudly representing the team of New Era.
Ready ka na ba sa tanong mo, baby girl?
Labas ng question.
Oo. Siyempre, binigyan mo na kami ng likod na walang backney. Kailangan maganda yung sagot mo dyan. Paano mo pinalalakas ang iyong kumpiyansa sa harap ng ibang tao o entablado? So we're talking about confidence. Are you ready? Go!
So, paano mo nga ba pinapalakas ang aking kumpiyansa sa harap ng maraming tao o sa entablado? So, papamagitan lamang ko ng aking pagpapakatotoo sa sarili at bilang isang simple bagay. Lamang ko para sa
Okay, mama. She said, My discotheque to the teenage dream. I felt it was necessary. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my heart, we took the floor, she said, oh, don't you dare cry, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're all in right. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is not destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. This is my last chance. She took my heart. I don't know how we did the first to say. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're all in now. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance. Don't you dare cry. Just
Alright! Wala pala na kailangan siya. Talagang sabi niya, susulitin ko ng oras ko. Saka ang ganda naman niya talaga. Yun yung mga gusto ko, sir, sa views, yung hindi lang puro body. May face card din talaga. What's your name and from what team are you from?
I am Christina Mercado Maniego, proudly representing kung saan walang babaero at kung saan wala lang ang inaagaw, Sika Valen!
Para naman tayo dyan.
Bola lang daw ang inaagaw. Sige nga. Bulat ka ng question. Your question is, ano ang pinakamahalagang aral na natutunan mo mula sa sports na ginagamit mo hanggang ngayon sa iyong buhay? Ano ang pinakamahalagang aral na natutunan mo sa sports na ginagamit mo sa iyong buhay? Go!
Ang mahalagang araw na natutunan ko sa sport ay ang pagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob upang pumarap sa inyong lahat at ang pagkakaroon ng sportsmanship. Dahil ang pagtanggap ng pagkatalo ay masasabi mong tagumpay na. Dahil ang pagkatalo ay magiging inspirasyon mo para lumaban pa sa susunod mo na laban. Yun lang po! Maraming salamat!
Adyan naman pa, adyan din siya.
Ang ganda naman nga talaga! Sino bang handler mo? Saka partner, pinuhitan na naman tayo. Dinadaan mo kami sa puwet, mama. Bumuni ka na agad. Pangalan mo muna, ma. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abigail Mama, representing 7th grade Architect Design. Nakalimutan na yung Go! O, isa na lang.
Sorry. Ganun na, sorry. Adiyo! Hi! Hi, I'm Abigail Pama representing 7th grade Architect Design from Chichigo.
Sana bukas maalala mo na. And your question is, Missy, sa iyong palagay, ano ang kahalagahan ng sportsmanship o pagtanggap sa pagkatalo? Sa iyong palagay, ano ang kahalagahan or importance ng sportsmanship o pagkatalo? Tanggap sa pagkatalo.
Thank you sa question ko. Ako, para sa akin, ang pagtanggap ng isang pagkatalo sa isang laban is parang pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay. Kasi ako, based sa mga napagdaanan ko, sobrang hirap ng buhay kung hindi ka marunong tumanggap ng pagkatalo or pagkadapa. Kasi once na nadapa ka, matututo kang bumangon para sa sarili mo. Hindi lang para sa sarili mo, para din sa pamilya mo. Thank you.
Thank you so much! And now, wala ko na hugay ha, kasi may kailangan ko alisin yung damit na doble. Kailangan daw walang doble. Saan gagawin para sa 2,000 pesos? Ang ganda ng song. O sayaw, sayaw! Medyo wild tong naka-color pink, dapat ibang song daw. Grabe kulit naman yan.
Kissy face, sexy on. I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you today?
Sexy song.
Sexy dance.
Wow! Sulit daw po yan ito.
Sulit na sulit.
Grabe. Thank you so much! You just got the change our division! We have our certificate of participation. Wala na ba ba? Ano na? Howard, doon mo na lang sa...
Man, high, still going down. She twerks so hard, it's a fabulous generation. Hollywood,
Mataas, taas, taas! Taas! Pwede magpa-sweet, pero sayang naman yung best of TikTok dance.
Hey, Bagdado!
Hindi kami bato para magkakalo dyan. Kaya ko bato. Okay, maraming
Thank you so much! Grabe! We will now award the certificate of participation for our senior
Mission.
user. Hindi na lang ako parang yun, nilabot ako.